Hello, Kunan. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. How are you, Kunan?
Um, Happy.
Wow, that's great because you are happy. What's the weather today?
Um, Sandura.
How's the weather?
Lara.
Is it sunny? Oh, so hot. Rainy or cloudy?
Sunny.
Sunny. All right. Okay. So, Kunan, today we are now in Unit 6 about my week. So, let's learn lesson 4 all about countries. Okay, so let's have a review. Look at the picture. Oh, let's watch this video first. Wait a minute. Here it is.
There are many different subjects at school. This is Lily. She's from England. She likes many subjects. What's her favorite subject? Her favorite subject is PE. She likes to run and jump. This is Emily. She's from England too. What's her favorite subject? Her favorite subject is English. She likes to read and write. This is Daniel. He's from Canada. He likes to draw and paint. What's his favorite subject? His favorite subject is art. This is Antonio. He's from Mexico. He isn't at school. He's playing soccer. He plays soccer on Thursdays. This is Tim. He's from the USA. He isn't at school. He's at dance class. He has dance class on Mondays and Wednesdays. This is James. He's from Brazil. He's playing baseball. He goes to baseball on Thursday. It's a lot of fun. There are lots of things to do at school. There are lots of things to do outside of school too. What's your favorite thing to do?
All right, Kunan. Okay, so this time, Kunan, look at the picture, you listen, point, and say. Okay, here it
Okay.
is, Kunan.
Page 78. Lesson 4. Countries. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Brazil,
2,
Canada,
3,
Canada.
Egypt, South Korea,
Florida.
All right, now your turn. Look and say.
Bahrain.
Okay, say Brazil. Brazil.
Brazil.
Very good.
Brazil. Canada.
Nice. Egypt.
Egypt.
Great job. South Korea.
South Korea.
Nice. Okay, now look at this one, Kunan. What country is this?
Brazil.
Okay, say it Brazil.
It's Brazil.
Brazil, very good. Now, what color is Brazil's flag?
It's green, yellow, blue,
Very
white.
good. That's right. It's green, yellow, blue, and white. Nice. Okay, look, what country is this?
It's Canada.
It's Canada. Very good. What color is Canada's flag?
It's red and white.
Nice. Okay, now how about this? What country is this?
Idea.
Okay, say Egypt. Egypt.
Egypt.
Very
Egypt.
good. What color is Egypt's flag?
Is yellow, red, white, and black.
That's right. Very good. Okay, what about this one? What country is this?
Is South Korea.
Very good. What color is South Korea's flag?
Is white, black, red, and blue.
Yes, very good. Okay, so this time I want you to look at the picture. You listen to teacher, read and practice. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 78. See. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Where's he from?
He's from Brazil.
Where's she from?
She's from Brazil.
Where's? Where
Where?
is?
Where is
He's.
he?
He
He
is.
is.
She's.
She.
She
She
is.
is.
1,
Where's he from? He's from Brazil.
2,
Where's he from? He's from Canada.
3,
Where's she from? She's from Egypt.
Easy.
4,
Where's she from? She's from South Korea.
All right. Now I want you to look at this one, Kunan. Okay, now let's practice this. So look at this one. Is this a boy or a girl?
Is boy.
Nice. So we say, where's he from? Then we say, he's from Brazil. Okay? So it's a
Okay.
boy, so we say his or he. Now look, where is she from? Look, is this a girl or a boy?
Is he from? Is he from? He from Brazil.
That's right, she's from Brazil. Okay, now look, Kunan. Where's is the same with where is. Okay, they're just the same thing. Now, his, that's the same with he is, and she's is the same with she is. So again, we have here she and he. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Kunan. Okay, I'm from the Philippines. How about you? Where are you from?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Yes,
Huh?
you. Where are you from?
She from Parario.
You. Kunan. Kunan, where are you from?
Where is you from?
You, Kunan. We'll listen to this one. Wait a minute. I am from the Philippines. How about you? Where are you from?
Tôi đến từ Philippines. Còn bạn thì sao? Bạn đến từ đâu?
Where are you from?
I from Vietnam.
Very
Vietnam is
good. Okay. Now look at this one, Kunan. There are many children here. Look, how many children are there? Look at the picture. How many children are there?
Vietnam from
How many children?
friend is
Look, how many children?
your friend.
Okay, now look at the picture. What can you see?
What can you see? See?
Look at the picture, Kunan. What can you see?
Nhìn vào bức tranh, Kunan, bạn có thể thấy gì?
Is
Say, I can see
I can see
children.
children.
Very good. Now, where are the children? Circle the children.
Children.
Circle the children. Circle. Very good. Okay, so these are the children. Now, how many children are there? How many children are there?
Is for
Very good. Say, there are four
for
children.
children.
Nice. Now, this time, we are going to practice. Look at each child. So they are from different countries. All you have to do is to look at the flag, you listen to teacher, and answer in a complete sentence. Okay?
Canada.
Chúng ta sẽ thực hành nhìn vào từng đứa trẻ để xem chúng đến từ những quốc gia khác nhau. Tất cả những gì bạn phải làm là nhìn vào lá cờ mà bạn lắng nghe giáo viên. Và trả lời bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh nhé.
All right. Now
All
look at
right.
the first picture. Where is number one? Where is number one? Circle number one.
Number one.
Very good. Now, where is he from?
He's from Brazil.
Very good. That's right. Okay, say Brazil.
Brazil.
Nice. Now, where is number 2? Circle number 2.
Thank you.
Great job. Where is he from? Where's he from?
He's from Canada.
Yes, that's right. Great job, Kunan. Canada. Now, where is number 3? Circle number 3.
Number 3.
Nice. Where's she from?
She's from I.
She's from
She's from I.
where is she from? She's from E.
Egypt.
Yes, that's right. She's from Egypt. Now, last one. Look at the girl. Where is she from?
She's from South Rico.
Try again. She's from
From South Korea.
yes. Okay, say Korea. Korea.
Korea.
Okay, South Korea.
South Korea.
Very good. Okay, now Kunan, let us switch. You will ask me and I will answer. Okay? You say teacher. Let's switch, Kunan. You will be the one to ask me a question and I will answer based on the picture.
Chúng ta hãy đổi Kunan. Bạn sẽ là người hỏi tôi một câu hỏi và tôi sẽ trả lời dựa trên hình ảnh.
Was was he from?
He's from Brazil.
Was he from?
He's from Canada.
Was she from?
He's from Egypt.
Was she from?
She's from South Korea. Wow, great job, Kunan. Okay, now Kunan, how about you? Where are you from? How about you, Kunan? Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Great job. Now you ask me. Me.
Was she from?
Okay, say, how about you say, teacher, where are you from?
Teacher, where are she from?
I'm from the Philippines. All right. So give me a high five, Kunan. Nice. So I'll give you 10 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing. All right. Now, I want you to look at this one, Kunan. Look at the picture, listen, and answer. Where's she from?
So, she from South Korea.
Okay, say South Korea.
South Korea.
Very good. One more time. Where is she from?
She from Korea.
Korea. Very good. Okay. Now, what about this one, Kunan? Look. Oh, what about this one? Where's he from?
He from he from Brazil.
Yes, that's right. He's from Brazil. Amazing, Kunan. Okay. Now, what about this one? Where's he from?
Um,
She's from
he from
Circle your answer, Kunan. Circle.
she from I
Circle. Yes,
I
very good. Say Egypt. Egypt.
Egypt. From
Nice.
Egypt.
Okay, what about this girl? Oh, this boy. Where's he from? He is
He
from.
from he from Canada.
Yes, that's right. He's from Canada. Okay, now how about you? Where are you from, Kunan? Where are you from? Hello,
He
Kunan.
from Canada.
It's you. Where are you from?
Uh, you from I'm from Vietnamese.
Great job. Okay, so this time, let's look at the picture here. You are going to listen and write a number. Okay? Here it is,
Okay.
Kunan.
Page 79. D. Listen and number. 1,
My name is Hee-young. I'm from South Korea. My favorite subject is art. I go to dance class on Thursdays.
2,
My name is Ali. I'm from Egypt. My favorite subject is science. I go to English class on Wednesdays.
3,
My name is Bruno. I'm from Brazil. My favorite subject is math. I go to swimming class on Mondays.
4,
My name is Becky. I'm from Canada. My favorite subject is PE. I go to karate class on Tuesdays.
All right. Now, let me give you an example. Number 1. Hi, I'm Hiyang. My favorite subject is art. I'm from South Korea and I go to dance class on Thursday. So where is that? So it's here. Number 1. Again, hi, my name is Kiyang. I'm from South Korea. My favorite subject is art, and I go to dance class on Thursday. So that's number 1. Okay? All right. Now this time, here. Wait a minute. You are going to listen again. Listen to the audio where you write a number to each of the kid that is described from the audio.
Bạn sẽ nghe lại đoạn âm thanh trong đó bạn viết một số cho mỗi đứa trẻ được mô tả trong đoạn âm thanh.
Okay. Example 1. I'm Hyang. I'm from South Korea. My favorite subject is art. I go to dance class on Thursday. So this is number 1. All right?
All right.
Okay, now listen one more time. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 79. D. Listen and number. 1,
My name is Hyang. I'm from South Korea. My favorite subject is art. I go to dance class on Thursdays.
Very good. 2.
2,
My name is Ali. I'm from Egypt. My favorite subject is science. I go to English class on Wednesdays.
3,
My name is Bruno. I'm from Brazil. My favorite subject is math. I go to swimming class on Mondays.
4,
My name is Becky. I'm from Canada. My favorite subject is PE. I go to karate class on Tuesdays.
Wow, very good. You got it. Correct. Okay. Now this time, I want you to look and read. Let's read number 1. Let's read.
My name is Reza. I'm from Korea. My
Favorite subject?
my favorite subject is art. I go to dance class on today.
Thursday. Very good. Now, how about Ali? My name is Ali. I'm from Egypt. My favorite subject is science. I go to English class on Wednesday. All right, so that's Ali. Now your turn, Kunan. Bruno.
Bruno. Mm. My name is Bruno. I'm from Brazil. My half brother should rest and my it must go to swimming class on Monday.
Great job. Now last one, we have Becky. Your turn again. Look, Becky. My name is Becky. Your turn.
If that kiss
My name is Becky. I'm from Canada. My favorite subject is PE. I go to dance class on Tuesday. All right, Kunan. Now I want you Listen, I want you to look at the chart. I'm going to ask you a question about the chart, then you answer me based on the chart in a complete sentence. Okay?
Tôi muốn bạn nhìn vào biểu đồ. Tôi sẽ hỏi bạn một câu hỏi về biểu đồ. Sau đó bạn hãy trả lời tôi dựa trên biểu đồ bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh nhé.
All right?
Alright.
Very good. Now I want you to look at number 1. Okay. Where is she from?
She from France.
Korea.
Korea.
Very good. What is her favorite subject?
Yes. In Korea. Korea.
What is her favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art.
Okay, her favorite subject is art. You say her.
Her.
Okay, here. We use the pronoun her because we're talking about Hiyang, who is a girl. Okay, we use my if you're talking about yourself. Okay?
Chúng ta sử dụng đại từ hơ vì chúng ta đang nói về Hyang, một cô gái. Ok, chúng ta sử dụng mi nếu bạn đang nói về chính mình. Ok.
All right. Okay, now look. What is her favorite subject?
Her favorite subject is art.
Nice. Okay, now who likes English class? Who goes to English class on Wednesdays?
Ai đi học lớp tiếng Anh vào thứ tư?
Hello, Kun An. Hello, Kun An. Who? Who go to English
My
class?
name
Yes,
is
it's Ali. Very good. Now, where is he from?
he from he from I
He's from
is from I
he's from Egypt.
is from Egypt.
Very good. All right. Now look. Who likes PE? Who likes PE?
PE. Alright.
Very good. Where is she from? Where is she from?
She from Canada.
Nice. When does she study karate? When does she learn karate?
Khi nào cô ấy học karate?
Is go to Karate class on Tuesday.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now, who is from Brazil? Who is from Brazil?
Radio. This Bruno.
Very good. Where is he from?
He from Brazil.
Very good. Now, when does he go to swimming class? When does he go to swimming class?
Swim in class. Swim in class.
When does he go to swimming class? When does he go to swimming class?
If
Khi
I
nào anh
go
ấy đi học
swim
bơi?
in class on Monday.
Okay, you say he goes.
He go to swim in class on Monday.
Very good, Kunan. Give me a high five again. Nice, high five. So you have 5 hearts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how about you, Kunan? Okay, what is your name? How about you, Kunan? Okay, so look, my name,
My name is Nam.
no, you. Okay, here. Now it's your turn. You tell me about your name, where you from, what subject do you like, and when do you learn English?
Bây giờ đến lượt bạn. Hãy cho tôi biết tên của bạn. Bạn đến từ đâu? Bạn thích môn học nào và bạn học tiếng Anh khi nào?
Okay, my name is
My name is Nam. I'm from Vietnamese. My natural is 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 listen. I go to listen class on Monday to Friday, Sunday, Saturday.
very good, Kunan. All right, so I'll give you 3 stars for that. 1, 2, 3. All right. So by the way, you are from Vietnam and you are Vietnamese. Okay, you can say I'm from Vietnam. I am Vietnamese because Vietnam is the country. Vietnamese are the people from Vietnam or the language that the people speak there. Look,
Nhân tiện, bạn đến từ Việt Nam và bạn là người Việt Nam. Được rồi, bạn có thể nói tôi đến từ Việt Nam. Việt Nam là một quốc gia. Người Việt Nam là những người đến từ Việt Nam hoặc ngôn ngữ người dân ở đó nói.
all right. So I'm from Vietnam. I speak Vietnamese. Okay? All
Okay.
right. So for today, you got 5, 10, 15. That's 18 hearts.